welcome back. Following on from the last video, today I've got the rear caliper to basically break down. I've already started trying to get these pistons out. They are heavily corroded, so got some new ones in. The old brake line is obviously still connected, and reservoir, so this has all got to come off. I've got new brake line going in, but yeah, as you can see, it's in quite a bad state. So this is going to be totally stripped down, get the pistons out, clean up the retaining pin, polish up the main bracket, and get some paint on it. So let's crack on. I have already tried pumping these pistons out. There is a little bit of brake fluid in, but basically it's got to as far out as I can get it. I've just tried pumping that. That seems to be as far out as I can get them, so I'll try a piston puller. Right, don't need that for now, so I'll move that to one side. Right, that's one almost out. Unfortunately, I didn't get anywhere with the piston pliers. As I'm replacing these anyway, I've just decided to go with a set of mole grips. And there's one, rusted to pieces now, mullered. Yeah, you can see how bad that is, the rust on it, all the marks. So we're going to have fresh ones going, so that's just fit for the bin. Right, try and get the other one out. I do understand people are going to say that, oh, that's not the right way to do it, and you need this tool, that tool. Unfortunately, I have to use the tools I have. Yes, later on I would love pullers, etc., but obviously they cost money, and as I said before, I am self-funded. As I say, these pistons will be thrown. They're no good. They are rusted, they're scored, they're scratched. They won't clean up, so it is just basically a case of, hope you can see that, just trying to get them out, and then I can start again. Fresh seals, fresh pistons. So I'll continue on with this. Join me again in a few minutes. Right, and that's the second one. Again, pretty well scored, rusted. Now I've just got to clean out the insides, get them seals out. I say these are just going to be thrown. I've got brand new ones, so. Right, let's pop these seals out. That's one. Obviously remembering which order they came out in, so the thin one's on the top. And there's the fatter one, the second one down. So we need to clean out inside here. Make sure that's all nice and clean and smooth. Right, the other set. So there we go. That's pistons out, seals out. And a lot of brute force and ignorance to get them out. So now we need to start cleaning this up. Obviously bleed nipple. This is rusted as well. I did manage to loosen it off earlier, so that's why it's a bit easier. Yeah, as you can see the state of that. Again, I've got a brand new one, stainless steel. Again, that's all just going in the bin. That's all it's fit for. Right, well that's taken off a fair amount, but it needs to go under the wire wheel really on the bench grinder and clear out all this in here. So let's get that sorted. Right, there we go. That's a lot better. So I've just got these two bits in here to do. Right, for these surfaces in here, I'm just going in with a 600. Wet and dry, but just doing it dry. Because obviously I don't want any bits going in the holes. As you can see there, that's looking a lot better. So I just need to mask this area off. Obviously any screw holes, I'll probably just use old bolts. Right, now let's just get some old bolts, just to basically put through the holes, so I don't go, obviously don't want paint getting inside here, you don't want paint getting inside there. Alright, let's get some paint on this. Well, that's the first coat thinly laid on, so let's let that dry. Alright, the coat's had about 15-20 minutes. So I'll give that another 15-20 minutes and then we'll come back and I need to get the underside done. Right, let's add another 20-25 minutes. I'm now just going to do the underside. Alright, it's starting to look better. So I'll give that another 15-20 minutes again, and then give it a final coat. Leave that for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and then I can start reassembly, get the pistons in. Right, so that's dried off nicely. Yeah, overall, I'm quite pleased with how that's come out. There you go, there's the new one compared to the old one that came out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get these. Comes as a complete kit. So you've got your piston and your new seals, and obviously rubber grease. Right, so bottom one in first. There we go, there's one in, that's the big seal just gone in. And a small seal. There we go, that sits in the one. There we go, both seals in that side. Brand new piston in. There we go, piston just slides straight in there. Right, same again for the other side. So, new one for this side. Again, as you can see the difference there between the two seals. You've got the lower seal, which is this one, upper seal, 27mm. Wipe off the excess. There we go, there's the other two seals in, and literally piston. And then goes the second piston, and that's basically done. So that's new seals, new pistons, total clean up, respray. Now I can actually remove all these bolts. I've just got to wait for the mounting bracket to turn up. Unfortunately, when I picked this up, I didn't think about the mounting bracket. Obviously it holds it all in place. So as soon as that turns up, I can basically get that painted up as well, and then this is ready to mount, get the brake pads and onto the bike. Right, I hope that was helpful for everybody. As I say, it was quite good doing this. As I say, it shows basically how you'd fit. I basically strip one down, rebuild it, seals, pistons, so ready to go. So thanks for watching. Join me again next time when I move back onto the tail end of the Streetfighter project. few little surprises obviously, and also I've had another delivery of a few parts, came a bit further afield this time, so looking forward to getting them unwrapped and trying out these on the bike, and also the new tail unit, which I'm looking forward to showing everybody. So thanks for watching, I'll see you again next time. Cheers, bye.